Goes under the ropes to get back inside. And he gets delivered back into the ring.
The WWE Universe is pouring more fuel on his fire. Right.
Here we go.
Reigns is trying from the top. Senton from the apron.
And a kick.
Oof. Styles teeing Balor up. Set to finish things.
Roman Reigns so dominant.
Guillotine approach. The guillotine locked in. This is all it knows.
That was an incredible counter. And Finn Balor connected nicely there.
Rocked his opponent. Paying it back with their own counter.
Oh, knee to the face.
That's going to hurt.
They are feeding off the WWE fans, now pinning the arm down and
delivering. This is where Finn Balor's at home. Ooh. He steers clear of contact.
Taking this match off the mat now.
Rock moves in the nick of time. Up high, clothesline.
Oh, got caught.
Textbook scoop slam.
Taking the fight near our announce table.
I really hope we get these desks at a discount.
An impactful display of offense we just witnessed there.
The Tribal Chief oozing disdain for his opponent. And AJ's caught.
Into the corner now.
Uranagi. Man, oh man.
He gets back into the ring.
Oof. Was ready for that.
Drop kick to the knee. Ooh, heading up. He's thinking big.
What a spear by Reigns. On the top rope. Booted Ross. Did Balor secure a win?